afternoon, everyone. My name is Maria Victoria Ermac, and we're going to tackle about Mall of the Emirates using the Signa. The Mall of Emirates in Dubai has been welcoming more than 40 million visitors annually since 2005 and is home to shops of the world's biggest fashion brands. When it comes to parking in malls, their customers is waiting in lines at the payment machines. The Mall of Emirates wanted to offer their customers a parking experience of a special kind, comfortable and simple in use, implemented on the parking deck all in all without disturbing the daily routine and integrated into the mall's app via web services. The Mall of the Emirates has implemented a ticketless parking solution provided by Designa. The smart parking system is integrated into the mall's app via web services, allowing customers to have an overview of all the services offered at the mall, special offers, and parking availability. The system also includes a map of the shopping mall. This ticketless parking solution aims to enhance customer satisfaction while optimizing investment and operating costs. Initially, all 40 lanes were equipped with LPR or license plate recognition cameras and then features such as app and web. Frequent parker and mobile payment were implemented. Pre-booking is also in place, as well as further app features and the expansion of the concept to all parking customers. Customers can use the app to input their payment details, and if their time in the mall exceeds the free parking limit, the app will automatically charge their card for the additional time. This app-based smart parking system provides convenience and ease of payment for mall visitors. The customer enters and leaves the car park barrier-free without waiting times and without fear of losing their ticket. Ang Mall of the Emirates isa ni siya sa mga mall sa tibuok kalibutan na mostly visited with over 40 million visitors taga-tuig sukad pa atong 2005. Isa sa nagamit aning designa is ang Mall of the Emirates sa Dubai. Tungod kay ang mall dugukanan og mga tao kay kasagaran anha mamalit or mukaon. Since kanipod na mall kay daghan makayog mga ilado na brands na adiri. Diba Dubai is usap sa pinakadato na lugar so kasagaran sa namuyo ngadto mga dato sad. Kay mahal man ila cost of living so kasagaran jud na ay sakyanan. So ug moadto sila malls problema kaayo sa mall ug asa magparking ng customers labi nagdaghan. Usa sa problema sa customers is maghuwat sila sa linya para mobayad sa parking. So ang Mall of the Emirates ganahan mo offer og parking experience na suitable sa ilaha customers. Like diba karon halos tanan tawo na ay cellphone so ganahan sila mohimo og service na naara pod sa phone. Ang designa ang ni-provide sa gustong ipahimo sa Mall of Emirates which is called ticketless parking solution. Ang kanina parking system is app ni siya sa mall. Pwede diri mo tan-aw ang mga customers unsay services ang gina-offer sa mall, mga special offers o parking availability. Naa pud diri ang map sa mall para di ka masaag. Ang goal sa ticketless parking solution kay i-enhance ang customer satisfaction at the same time makasave sila. So nagbutang sila LPR or license plate recognition cameras. Kani siya may mubasa or mo-monitor sa plate number sa imuha sakyanan, ig-entra nimo sa parkinganan og automatic motultol dayon tong app asa ka mo park dapita. Sa mobile payment, dili na ka need magbayad or maglinya kay automatic sa imuha bangko or GCash na kamobayad sa parking fee. Mo-calculate po siya automatically sa imuha mabayran, magdepende og pila ka oras sa mall imuha sakyanan. Ang kanina app-based smart parking system naghatag og convenience kay di na sila need maghuwat or mangita asay ka parkingan og nag-offer og ease of payment sa mall visitors kay di na sila maglinya para mobayad or mahadlok na mawala ilaha tickets.